Hi, Gumi. So today we're gonna be playing Shark Bite. I'm gonna invite you to my boat. Okay, I invited you to my boat now.
I will join you.
Okay. Yay! I have a unicorn boat.
Be careful the shark.
Yeah. It's hard because it's night time. Yes. I don't like driving. Oh no, the shark has been released. The shark has been defeated. Yay! I'm gonna invite all of the people in the server. I will invite all of the people on the server to our boat. Oh no, I'm the shark! There's like a bug on my table. Look.
At least I have the unicorn.
Okay, I'm a shark. Bro, someone already shot me. I'm not even. Bro, I'm gonna die. It's so hard being a shark, bro. I died. I'm gonna look at the shop if I can buy anything. I wanna buy a shark. Let's try to buy this one. Okay. I'm gonna invite everyone to our boat. I will invite everyone. Oh no.
Our teacher said we should make
What kind of shark is that? Okay, so we have dye rope here. Please don't leave the boat, dye rope. Is that an egg? I'm gonna get the egg. Yes, I got it. finding eggs. Yeah. Oh no, 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 I flipped the boat.
It's your fault you won't sink boat.
Oh no, I left the jump. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. Where are you? Gumi? No, no, no! No! There's nothing in it! Oh no! I'm gonna spectate you. Okay, so now I have the duckling boat.
But I am lagging.
I'm gonna spectate. Oh, the shark has been defeated! Guys, please don't mind the echoes because we're in a video call. Okay, I'm gonna type in join our boat, guys. Guys, join our boat.
I hope it's not me.
Guys, join our boat.
We'll do some.
Join us. Yay! There's so many people on our boat. Oh, but some can't sit down. I'm just gonna slow down so that... Oh, my boat can make sounds. Like... Yeah, that's my boat. I have like a honking thing. We're gonna defeat the shark together, guys.
Help me.
Hello guys, I'm a Barbie. I'm bald. I don't have any hair. No, don't push me down. Who's driving? I mean, OMG, is that a is that a moon? Wait, I need the egg, I need the egg! Why did Gyros drive our boat? He drove our boat! Where are we going, to an island? I need that, I need that, I need that, I need that! Our boat got destroyed! The shark is under the water! No, 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 no. No, please, 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 please.
It's all because of that someone's fault. Because they stole the boat and the
Oh no!
shark eaten us.
There's an egg under the water. I'm gonna get it. I hope the shark doesn't see me. No, I was about to take the egg, but at least the shark was defeated. And I got the highest. Woo. Gumi. Here. Come here. There's like a bubble thing in here. Guys, please don't mind me. My head is bald because I was changing my avatar. I forgot to put my hair back. Shark Scrambler. I hope I'm not the shark.
I hope it's not me. I hope it's not. Yay, it's not me.
Invite everyone. Let's go to our boat. Guys, join our boat.
Wait. Why are we under the water? Never mind.
Look. Listen to this.
You're scary.
It's like a honking thing. The shark has been defeated already. Okay, so guys, that will be all for our video. That will be all for our video, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, Gumi.
Hi, Papa.
Bye. See you in the next video.